you are doing safe. Welcome to Wealth Engineer. In this video, we'll discuss about the Nifty and Bank Nifty weekly intraday trade opportunities. Yeah, this is the 21st June, Monday. Okay, and if you want to see the pre-market levels, this will be the day hand. You have a huge trending day. Okay, and then you have a recovery. So this area must be the demand zone. Okay, if you mark it. Similarly, in the Bank Nifty also, you'll have the similar kind of structure. You have a great fall, and then you have a recovery in the second half. Okay, so this is a demand zone. Okay, so let's see from candle by candle. Since it is a Monday, we have a weekly CPR in both the indices. Okay, yeah, you have a weekly CPR which is narrow and daily CPR which is wide. Similarly, in Bank Nifty, weekly CPR is somewhat mid-range, and daily CPR is also in mid-range. The first candle is a bullish candle. Okay, and then the second candle is also bullish candle, which is having a, first of all, the opening itself is a huge gap down opening. It is not opening below the what do you call, below the PDL, but it has opened inside the candle, but you have some gap down opening here. Okay, here also it is a inside opening only, but you have a great gap down due to global conditions. Fine, the first candle is red candle here, and the first candle is green candle here, so there is no trade as per as they're behaving in opposite nature. Okay, and the second candle is in green, and this candle in Nifty is also green. So here is we have a trade opportunity, since we have in Bank Nifty is in demand zone. Okay, so from this area it has took a big bounce, so this is the demand area. From the demand area we have got a bullish engulfing in the first two candles. Okay, so actually this is a trade opportunity. If you we need to keep a stop loss here below the first candle, and you need to take the entry here. This seems to be very risky because this is very high risk, so I have not taken this trade, this particular trade. Usually the target for this trade is daily CPR, right? So due to high risk, I left this trade. And then once the price approached to CPR, I felt that this will take a U-turn, since it is the daily CPR and weekly CPR below. Okay, so once the price reached the here, I switched to the Nifty, and here I have found the bearish candles at the daily central pivot, and I took a short trade here, keeping the stop loss here. Okay, but after few, almost some 1.5 hour time, it has market has a plane there only, in the same place, and it hit my stop loss. Okay, so here I got a loss of around 20 points in a Nifty. I got a loss of 20 points. Okay, after this you can go for SAR means stop and reverse. Okay, so once you expect the U-turn, means once you get the reversal from CPR, but it took in the opposite side, right? So at this time, once you get once you are out of the short trade, you have to go SAR means stop and reverse. So you need to reverse your position. But what setup you got? This is a consolidation. Okay, so in both the indices you have found a consolidation of almost 1.5 hour to 2 hours time. Okay, so consolidation plus breakout. See this breakout candle. This breakout candle is a bullish Marbuzi candle. So you can go long here, and based on you can keep the stop loss below this candle. What is this setup? Consolidation plus breakout. Okay, if you are not clear what is this consolidation plus breakout, I'll try to keep a video, I'll try to keep a iCard here, so that you can see my earlier discussed strategy on this consolidation plus breakout. Okay, you will take a position, long position here, keeping the stop loss here, and your target will be daily weekly CPR. Okay, so here to here almost some 152 points or 200 points it is there. So in this way you will the first trade loss is very much covered over here. It is the risk of 1:2 risk to reward is there here. Okay, and then later part it tried to feel some resistance here, but still Nifty has tried to close above weekly CPR. That means it has moved to bullish. Okay, but still you need to wait for the right confirmation. Okay, if you see in 15-minute candle, these form a bullish engulfing. So in this area it found a bullish engulfing. If you want to take a long trade, yes, still you can go with the long trade, keeping the below as a stop loss, and this will be your profit. We'll go to the next day. The next day is June 22nd. Yes. So here you have seen a big uptrend day. Okay, similarly Nifty also has seen a big uptrend day, and there are on the next day, even though there are bullish candles, I will not go to, usually it's my rule that I'll not go to long trade. Okay, uh, rather than I'll try to see if there is a huge gap up opening, I'll try to see a gap up projection. That is one. And the second one is trap traders. I'll look for these two setups, because after a huge trending day, it is very likely that you'll get a gap up projection or trap trader setup. Fine. Let's see these candles in close manner. So you cannot get the gap up projection because the first candle is in uh, the first candle is green candle in both the indices, so the gap up projection idea was discarded. It has opened very clearly gap up. Okay, but still it is under the below the pivot. Fine, so I left this one. So I looked for the trap trader setup here especially. And if you see here, it is making a lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and still I have not taken I have taken one trade here based on this Marbuzi candle. I have taken one candle here, keeping the stop sorry, this is my entry point, and this is my stop loss. Okay, and the third or fourth candle my stop loss was hit, so my risk was very very low. In Bank Nifty it is around 52 points, I remember. It is 52 points, and my target is here. Okay, this is hit my stop loss. Fine. Okay, then I was out of the trade, and later it was shown a small double top here. Okay, and then it got breakdown with a bearish Marbuzi candle. Still I have not gone to I have not taken any fresh trade later, because here you have what do you call Virgin CPR. If you see from the previous day, you have a Virgin CPR from here. Okay, that is the reason I have not taken any trade, and later part it has gone up to here. So it has touched one time, two time, and third time. So three times it has touched this Virgin CPR. I believe that this Virgin CPR will become weak when it touches the next time. So I wait for the opportunity. Here we got an opportunity. Okay, so in 15 minutes time frame, if you go and if you keep a line chart, here you'll find one support. Okay, that support has become into resistance here. So if you're not clear about this support turn to resistance that setup, you can look over the iCard over here. I'll try to keep in my during my video editing. Okay, at that time you can see the strategy how support turn to resistance and resistance turn to support. It's a beautiful and very very easy simple price action concept. Here I have took the trade. Okay, based on this gravestone doji candle, I have took a trade here, short entry, keeping my stop loss here. So this is very very low risk trade setup. What is the trade? The risk is around some 30 to 40 points, I remember. Okay, and then my target is around PDH level. So this is my profit, and this is my risk. It is around 1:3 risk to reward I have. I told you, right, whenever we have a huge trending day and the next day it is a gap up opening, there are high chances that it doesn't go on the upside, because it want to trap the retail traders. Okay, so it will, if you I suggest not to go long immediately. Maybe if you want to go long, you need to check the opportunities over here, because here you have a daily CPR. Okay, and then weekly CPR. So this area will act like a strong support. Maybe once the price reaches at this area, you may find bullish engulfing or double bottom, and then you can go long from this area. Until then, don't think about the long opportunities in such scenarios. Okay, I'll go to the next day. Yeah, so the next day it is opened inside the CPR in Bank Nifty, and in Nifty it is opened outside the CPR. Okay, fine. And then it has made the bearish candles, and then a slight pullback, but it got rejected from the daily CPR. Have you seen here? There is a bullish engulfing, and these three candles forms a evening star pattern. Okay, so here you can go for short trade, keeping the stop loss above, and you cannot take any trade in Bank Nifty because it is this is the daily CPR and this is the weekly CPR. Price has stayed in between daily CPR and weekly CPR, so this will this will dance in between these two zones. Okay, that is the reason I have not taken any trade in the morning session in the in the bank nifty, but but we can consider a trade here in the nifty. Okay, so if you want to take a trade here, this is the entry point and this is the stop loss. Okay, and this will be your target. This PDL is your target. Okay, later part of the day, this trade is completed. Okay, later part of the day, you got one opportunity here. The opportunity is here. Why? Because this zone, okay, it is already tested. First time, second time, third time. So 3 times it has tested. So I believe that it may break this zone and will get a huge profit. So I took a trade here. Since it is a bearish engulfing at daily CPR, and I could put my stop loss here. This risk is around 80 points. Okay, and my target is, I left it open because I don't know whether this will break and it may give the huge chance to me. But once the price has reached here, and when I see in the Nifty, it is also at weekly CPR support, and the price is also not moving in a good manner, and that too this day is a monthly CPR, sorry, monthly expiry day. So I don't want to take any risk, further risk, because whatever profits I got here itself, I got some 200 to 220 points profit. So this profit I have booked here without wasting any time. Fine, I'll go to the next trade. 24th June. Yeah, 24th June is here. Here Nifty has opened inside CPR, so it is likely expected to be in trending, likely expected to be in sideways. That is what it happened up to the first half. So we no need to trade any opportunities, we no need to search for any opportunities when it is opening inside CPR. Okay, and then it has opened inside CPR, this one as well. So I have left for the first half, I have left it the opportunity. But if you see with a clear mind, what you are finding here, it you have a daily CPR, okay, and then here you have a weekly CPR, okay, and then you have here the PDL. So everything got clustered here, right? So if you find an opportunity at this area, okay, so daily CPR support, weekly CPR support, and PDL support. So that is not a PDL. That is a Camarilla pivot. Okay, fine. But later we'll discuss about the Camarilla pivots. We'll not discuss it now. Okay, so here you can consider this a bullish engulfing pattern, and you can go long keeping the stop loss here, right? If you find this stop loss is too huge, then you may need to wait for the pullback, which may be expected up to here, because here is the where we have a V kind of shape, is a small swing high kind, so that may act like a support. So you may wait up to here, and you can keep this as your stop loss, right? And your target can be the next immediate hurdle, or 1:2. So the next immediate hurdle is the PDH, so you can book the profit here, right? Yeah, I'll go to the next day. Next day is a bit tricky one. I'll explain you why. It is a Friday, okay, and Nifty has opened with a bearish candle above the daily CPR and above the weekly CPR. That itself shows it is in bullish in nature, okay. But back to back you have some red candles, and it took support from daily CPR, okay. Immediately you should not go long based on this one, because already you have some bearish strength. So this bearish strength has to be nullified, okay. You'll see reversals only when the existing trend is fade off. So here just by one candle this cannot be fade off, okay. So you need to wait for a double bottom or anything. See here it formed a double bottom, right? So this is your stop loss, and you can entry here, okay. But I have not took trade here because some other work, no, I was not in front of the system at this time. I have left this opportunity. I was not aware of this opportunity, okay. Only after the at 1:30 by the time when Bank Nifty has breaking this zone, no, at the time only I came back and I am able to see this one. If you see here, this is the supply zone, so ideally it should get reversed from here, okay. So I was literally waiting for the short opportunity, okay. If you find, you can find my exact screenshots in my Telegram channel. If you haven't joined in that one, I'll keep it in my description. Please join in the Telegram channel. I'll try to give live screenshots. of the market, so that you can also learn the price action trading in the live. Okay, here you have found one gravestone doji candle. See, this is the gravestone doji candle. It formed at the supply zone. So this candle represents there are bears or presence available in this zone. Okay, literally I was waiting to have a short opportunity here. Okay, but what happened? These bears are not strong enough and they are not giving any follow through. Okay, already you have full bullish momentum, and here it took some bears. Okay, some bears got present here. The third candle has hit the stop loss of the all the bear candles. Okay, and it is a Marbusi candle. So here I got a confidence that it will move further, and here I took a trade keeping the stop loss below the supply zone. This is my risk is around some 60 to 70 points in Bank Nifty, and this is my target reached around some 2 to 200 250 points, I believe. So here itself we got 122 points. I asked the team members, means in the Telegram group, I asked to book the profit here. Okay, but if you want to go for trailing, yes, you can still go for trailing, and you can book a maximum of 200 to 250 points in Bank Nifty just by this trade. Hope you learned something in this video regarding the price action. Okay, and if you find this content helpful, please share to your friends and join in. Please subscribe, please hit the like button. Thank you. Bye bye.